Hi, hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Chachana Creation. And today we are going to unboxing the scale model of Mercedes Benz W123. And this car is with black color and it's very elegant to see. I'm very curious to take out the car from the box. And it's a metal die-cast model car. Now we have this car in 1:32 ratio. Come on everyone, let me explore the scale model now. Wow, seriously, this black color is very much attractive for the eye. This scale model having a lot of detailed work. Front two doors are openable. See, these wheels are similar to the original wheels. Only we are missing out the logo of the Benz in this car. Other than that, well and good on this model. Stay tuned with us for the next video. Until then, bye from Chachana Creation. Thanks for watching this video and please do support our channel by clicking the subscribe button.